Hello, I'm making a facial cleanser myself. I wanted to try this. I got this from a very renowned cosmetic chemist. He actually released this kind of a face wash in USA. So I thought, why shouldn't I try it at home? So I'm not asking anybody to prepare now itself. It's just that I'm showing you. It's kind of a first impression video. And if I really like it, I'll try making another batch and then I'll ask you people, or I'll suggest you people to do that. Okay, so the ingredients that we need now, why I'm using this is it's hydrating, it's exfoliating at the same time, which is amazing. Okay, another thing is I'm making it only for like 10 days. I'm planning to use it maybe daily or alternate days. It just depends. You can alter the ingredients like however you want. Suppose I'm adding here honey, you can add glycerine and all. That's closely up to you. Okay, now I'll just show you. There is like, I am not putting any hard and fast rules of measurements and all. Okay, so yeah, what shall we name this actually? Honey salicylic acid cleanser. I have been getting pimples a lot these days. This is my salicylic acid. Actually, it comes in ointment form. I think I've shown in one of my videos, but I gave my ointment to my sister, so I'm just using this one. Okay, so this is the quantity that I'm using because I definitely don't want to make it high concentrations, because the formulator, as I told you earlier, there's one guy, the pharmacist, he just made it in 0.5 concentrations. And usually acne and these things, acne face washes and all, it comes in like something like 2% salicylic acid or something. And when you just go to a doctor, you get minimum of 6% and then 10% in form of ointments. Okay, mine honey has some ants, anyway, no problem. And then I'm adding to bring the consistency, I'm adding already the salicylic acid is a beta hydroxy acid. I am adding Aroma Magic Peppermint Exfo Gel. I have another one also, Royal Juicy one, that is completely AHA, like alpha hydroxy acids. Now why I'm using this is it has only one alpha hydroxy acid according to me, I believe. Where is it? Yeah, sorry, it has two, sugarcane as well as orange acid. Anyway, this is far milder. I actually got to add some peppermint essential oil, but I'm not adding because this itself has a lot of peppermint oil. And it's like I'm going to take this and rub it on my skin for at least 1 minute, because all of them are soft particles. I'm showing you like just to make it into like face wash consistency, like say suppose a cleansing balm or anything. You can just add whatever you want. You can keep it like this, or just mix these things and just use it like a balm on your face, and that will be good. This is more than enough actually, but before this you have to do a face wash. Since I don't want to do that so-called face washing, I am adding a very little of, like, I'm going to show you the usual basin and charcoal mixture that I have. I'm sorry, I think the video is going a little, this is how it looks, the basin, charcoal, and at the same time I have a little turmeric also. Next time I'll make some variations. If it works for me well, if my acne and all, I see good results in it, I would definitely do another variation of it. If you can see, I'm just making this Kisan Jam empty box, because that's the only thing that I have now empty, because I want to make it in a very less quantity possible. Now coming to preservatives, you need not add preservatives, because the Exfo Gel has preservatives. Honey is a natural preservative for itself, and salicylic acid also might have or had preservatives. Okay, so this is the variation. And if you want to try before my review only, what I suggest you is take just a pea-sized amount of this. Look at the color. The color is because of the turmeric and honey, because they're both mixed, and it resulted in something like dark green. That's fine. Anyway, how I'm going to suggest you is take the product, whatever I suggest you to actually mix it with hand, just to show in the video I just did with my knife. I think I've spoke the science about it. Has an AHA, which is the Exfo Gel sugarcane. It has BHA, which is good for very good for acne. I actually think I need a lot more of honey, because I added more salicylic acid. That's what I feel. Anyway, it's just going to be of higher concentrations. If you add so much quantity, then what you do is just use it like alternate days. Okay, take this, and once you wet your face, apply it on the skin and try rubbing it, like just rub it on the skin for a minute or so. This is how you just do it. Let the particles of the so-called, I actually should not have added the turmeric and the basin mixture, but that's fine. I want it to be a complete cleanse. So this is how you just rub it very gently for at least 30 seconds to 1 minute, and then wash it off. That's how you're going to use it. It's like a trial because mimicking some product actually, which is very expensive. This probably would have costed me around 20-30 rupees, not more than that. But actually that original cleanser is something like 5,000 or 6,000. It's so expensive. So I'll just try if the results are really good. And let me tell you the benefits of it. It has anti-aging benefits because it's exfoliating, and also it has pimple. I mean, I am doing it for acne especially, because salicylic acid is known to remove the acne bacteria. And other than that, you can do it for pigmentation also, because it so much helps in pigmentation. Just try using these kind of face washes every alternate day, and then you will see amazing results. Okay, thank you so much.